home-based business champion in the Hawaii County. So he's an independent associate with Legal Shield, legal programs, identity theft, monitoring, and restoration. He's been with Legal Shield since 1985, but has been actively marketing the program since 2002. Some previous endeavors: he was a school teacher, counselor, journeyman carpenter, general carpenter, and a bunch of other stuff. So basically, he's a businessman. His spouse is Joan, 39 years together, 34 years married, 2 children, twin girls, both married, 27, and Devin, the son that we've all seen before, he's a junior at University of Oregon, and he's a grandfather of 2. So his nickname is Speedy, or as his wife says, Speedy. He loves animals, often inherits strays. Some of his activities and interests is to compete. He loves sports of all kinds. Competed in Ironman Triathlon in 1986. Built a home from design to finish, and loves to travel. His burning desire is to be a person of value, help others reach their potential in sports and life. And something no one knows about him is he went streaking for 1 hour with 6 gals, 6 guys in UH Manoa in 1971. Wow. After that, he called Legal Shield. And his key to success is to make sure philosophies, values, and goals are in sync with each other. And he really cares about everybody. And that's something that I can personally attest to him. His daughter's on my classmate, and he's ever since I was little, he's always cared about everybody. So here's Warren.
Thank you. One of the specialties that we deal with is group benefit programs. And companies like HPM, BMW Hawaii, State Farm, Suisan, Meadow Gold, the County of Hawaii all offer this benefit. And so this is a presentation that we give to business owners as to why 34,000 businesses offer this as a legal benefit to the employees. So there are 2 programs, 2 things that we'd like to cover. Number 1, what is the benefit to the employer? And number 2, how does the benefits work? Our Legal Shield helps employees stay on the job physically, but not just physically, mentally also. Because we found that if your employee has legal concerns, they will reduce absenteeism. I mean, they will be absent, they will be more stressed, and less productive. So what our programs do is that they keep them on the job. We have a very unique value because we reduce your risk and exposure, and we save your company money by keeping your employees on the job. Studies show that employees do take time off from work to tend to their things. And now, if they take off for identity theft, you have to cover their shift. You have to maybe cover costs such as hiring, retraining, and things of those costs. So the programs, as I said, reduce absenteeism and stress and increase presenteeism and productivity. Now, you typically offer medical for your employees, and they have sick time off. But what do you do when they say, I need a speeding ticket time off? What do you do when you say, I need divorce time off? What do you do when they say, I need landlord-tenant time off? Well, what they do is they're taking their sick leave. Well, really, they're taking your sick leave time, and it's costing your business money. So how do the programs work? There are 2 options. One is Legal Shield, and one is identity theft. And it's made to keep your employees on the job. That will help your employees with unlimited personal business advice, letters and phone calls on their behalf, legal document reviews, trial defense. We have traffic defense in many forms and documents that are available online. A couple quick stories. I ordered a video camera from the mainland. I needed it right away. Ordered it overnight express through FedEx. Anybody get a camera from New York overnight? No. Mine didn't come. I called them, got the runaround. Ever had customer care become customer no care? Yes. Called my lawyer. Lawyer wrote a letter. Got the $15, the overnight charge back. Had a sign in my yard. The sign says Legal Shield. get a call from the building department, real property office, saying, Mr. Chong, if you have a running business out of your home, you're no longer allowed the homeowner's exemption. $109,000 that I've had that for 25 years. Pick up the phone, call the attorney. The attorney calls the supervising attorney of the real property office. Dismiss, pow, no violation. Peace of mind, I feel empowered. Document reviews. Just refinanced American Savings Bank and Bank of Hawaii. Wonderful to give the lawyers those things. What are the interest rates? Where's the T-bill published? When is it published? Compare the two, which one's better. Financial seminar. Went to a financial seminar in Hilo. Bought a package. Was $4,500. I wanted to return it. They said no return. Called the lawyer. Lawyer wrote a letter saying it's at the Naniloa Surf Hotel. It's called a door-to-door sale. And they didn't do this. CC'd a copy to the bank, got the money back. Traffic ticket. Some of you know Dave Molesky, speeding trap by the Royal Kona. Officer sees something, calls the other officer. He calls the attorneys, they come here and represent him, they get it thrown out. It's not a get out of jail free card, but it does help if you didn't have to worry about the cost. Identity theft. #1 crime for the last 14 years with the FTC. We monitor, we alert you like a smoke alarm, but most important, we do the restoration. We not only put out the fire, we restore your credit to pre-fraud status. We think it's a wonderful way to keep your employees on the job. All this is available, believe it or not, the legal program goes for $24.95 a month. The identity theft goes $14.95 a month. If it's combined with the legal program, it's $9.95 a month, about $1 a day. So when would be your next employee meeting? We'd love to meet with them, share them what we got, how to keep them on your job site, and how to keep your bottom line better and keep your employees on the job. Thanks so much.